Not long ago, sharing photos meant taking negatives to the drugstore and having them make prints. These days it's all about Facebook, Instagram, Flickr, or whatever photo-sharing social networking site you can name. While we no longer rush to the photo lab to drop off film rolls, photo printing is still very much alive. A by InfoTrends found that 27% of participants who have printed from their mobile phones say they would do it again. Another 23% say they plan to, but haven't yet, while 16% say they didn't realize it was possible to print from a phone, but would like to try it. The last figure is encouraging, according to InfoTrends, because the respondents are between the ages of 13 to 24. Printing is suddenly cool again. With our smartphones, tablets, and computers, it's easy to transmit photos to online services or even traditional retailers like Walgreens, Costco, and Target, which will deliver prints to you by mail or have them available for pickup. You can also print photos at home, using a regular color inkjet printer or a dedicated, specialty photo printer like Epson's new PictureMate PM400 Personal Photo Lab. The little unit prints 4x6 or 5x7 photos, and can function on its own, without a computer. Unlike portable photo printers that came before, the PM400 isn't a new concept. Although it has been a few years since we've seen new specialty photo printers like this. The PM400 is designed to work with today's mobile devices. But, for a printer whose only job is to print small photos, the convenience of a home photo lab comes with a rather high price. The PM400 is small and lightweight, 8x6, 9x3, 3 inches when folded up, and 4 pounds, making